guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low Legend Blue colorway. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment thrown at our way. And I just want to take this time to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So let's get into this. First of all, I want to thank one of our viewers, one of our day ones, MJ, for lending us his pair of MJs. See what I did there? And yeah, so thank you, MJ. Unfortunately, this is not my true to size fit. I am a UK size 7.5. What we've got here are a pair of Air Jordan 11 Retro Lows in the white Legend Blue colorway, and we got this in the UK size 7. It's a European 41 and it's a US size 8. So just a little word of warning, when I do the on feet, it's going to be too small for me. I know this. I already own a pair of Air Jordan 11s. We've done a review of the Concord 11s, which were mine, and they were in the UK size 7.5. So I do advise that you get a true to size pair. Well, if you're able to get a pair of these Air Jordan 11s. Let's get into this. Now, I just want to mention this little difference that they have in the box. So they've got the OG inspired Jordan box, but where the Jumpman would be red, it's blue, and it's this Legend Blue colorway, which these Air Jordan 11s are. So let's get unboxing. There we go, look at this. This is so clean. Literally, I mean, I'm too scared to put all my sweaty palms on this. It's such a nice paint leather. So let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is your typical Air Jordan 11 outsole, but this time it's an icy blue finish, all rubber outsole, this icy blue. And in these traction pods, they're in a herringbone pattern. You've got a carbon shank that's in the middle here, and it's colored blue, and you can see through the Jordan logo that's there as well. So that carbon fiber shank, that's there for your stability and rigidness. Moving along on to the midsole. So this midsole unit is a Phylon midsole, and encapsulated in this Phylon is an air unit. Most Air Jordans have an air unit. It isn't until the Air Jordan 12 that they've incorporated the Air Zoom unit, but you've still got typical Nike Air technology that's found inside these sneakers. As we move along to the upper and we move to what I think are the most famous parts of an Air Jordan 11, and that is the white patent leather. When I think of Air Jordan 11, I think of the black patent leather that you'll find in the Concords, the Space Jams, and the Playoffs. But these have a nice white leather finish. So clean, you can see the reflection there of the lighting. Beautiful. This is one for the summer, guys. So if you're able to get a pair, don't get them. We move along onto the tongue. So that tongue is a ballistic mesh, and the lacing system is a speed lacing system. At the tongue, you can see in this Legend Blue colorway, you can see the Jumpman Jordan logo. That's there. Now we move along onto the heel. There's no pull tab, unfortunately, but you can still see the 23, whereas the high, obviously you still got a bit of neck support, I guess, a bit of length in the higher, obviously, and it will say the 23. The Jumpman logo is in this Legend Blue colorway where it is nicely stitched on. Where the lace paneling is, you've got this, I wouldn't say it's a real leather, it kind of feels pleather, but that's where the laces are. It's a nice touch. Usually it's all ballistic mesh, similar to the Playoffs, Space Jams, and the Concords. They've all got this ballistic mesh instead of this leather paneling. Going along onto the tongue, as I mentioned, ballistic mesh, and it's really nicely padded. And just underneath the tongue, it says quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. And that's Michael Jordan, obviously. The insole, you've got the Jumpman and the number 23, and it's a polyurethane insole. So it's nice, it's great, great quality for that comfort for the underside of your feet. Now, I'm really excited to try these on because these are so clean, so crisp, and that nice blue. I mean, it's such a nice finish. Can't wait to try these on, roll that footage on me. trying these 11s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that you get your true to size fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. These are UK size 7. My toes are at the very end. It does feel a bit tight, but obviously that's because it's a size small. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you MJ if you're watching this. Thank you for the loan. Remember to follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. And until next time, peace.